In this tutorial, you'll learn how to organize your Smartsheet by creating parent and child rows that can be expanded or collapsed whenever needed. Start by identifying the row you want to use as the parent row or section header. Then select the rows directly beneath it that you want to group together. Next, click the Indent button in the toolbar. The selected rows will move slightly to the right, creating a parent-child relationship. Once this is done, a -H icon will appear next to the parent row. Click the minus icon to collapse the child rows and hide them from view. This helps reduce clutter and makes large sheets easier to navigate. Whenever you want to view the hidden rows again, click the plus icon next to the parent row. All child rows will instantly reappear. Using expand and collapse functionality is a great way to keep project plans, task lists, and reports organized while focusing only on the information you need. Thanks for watching.